Hi everyone. Flight delayed with American Airlines. Don't miss out on compensation you may be entitled to. This quick guide show you how to claim it step by step. Let's get started. You can request a full refund within 24 hours of purchasing your ticket if booked at least 2 days before departure, while refunds for non-refundable tickets are typically not available unless specific conditions are met. Refund request must be submitted while the ticket is valid and can be made online through reservations or via mail or fax. Cash or a check refunds will be processed within 20 business days. Step 1, eligibility for compensation. General refund policy 24-hour rule. You can request a full refund within 24 hours of purchasing your ticket if you booked at least 2 days before your departure. This applies to all ticket types, but you must cancel the trip to receive a refund. Refund process. Refund are issued to the original form of payment minus any non-refundable taxes or service charges. If you block through a travel agency, you need to contact them for your refund. Ticket validity. Refund request must be submitted while your ticket is valid, which is typically 1 year from the issue date. Expired tickets are not eligible for refunds. Non refundable ticket. Generally, cash refund for non refundable tickets are not provided unless you cancel within 24 hours of booking and at least 2 days before departure. There is a significant schedule change 3 plus hour for domestic flight, 4 plus hour for international. A schedule change occurs within 72 hours of departure that result in a delay of 90 minutes or more. There are extenuating circumstances such as the death of a passenger or military orders. Additional refund eligibility. If your flight is significantly disrupted and you decline rebooking offers, you may be eligible for a refund even on non refundable tickets. Refund will also apply if you cancel a trip that has already begun, however, the remaining value of the ticket will be lost. Step 2, gather documentation. Keep records of your flight details, including the original schedule and actual arrival times. Collect any receipt or a proof of expenses incurred due to the delay, example, meals, accommodation, if applicable. Step 3, request for refund. If you have booked the ticket directly from American Airlines, you can request for refund directly from the website. Go to request refund page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Enter last name and ticket number and click continue button to check the refund process. Contacting reservations. Alternatively, you can reach out to American Airline Reservation for assistance. Mail or fax. Refund request can also be submitted via mail or fax. I have provided both the link in the description. You can directly go through it. If you booked through booking agent, contact respective agent to refund it. To find booking status, go to booking status, enter ticket number, last number and click search button to know the status. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Refund mode, cash or check refunds. Refund for tickets and optional products paid with cash or a check will be processed within 20 business days of receiving the request and required information. Refunds of taxes. You can request a refund for eligible taxes, including in the ticket price, which will be refunded to the original form of payment if eligible. Taxes that are not imposed by American Airlines may be eligible for a refund. Taxes that must be paid regardless of whether you travel or not eligible for refunds.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.